Hi everyone, and for today, I'm going to share yung keep your mouth shut if you can't speak without yelling. According to Proverbs 18:21, what you say can preserve life or destroy it. So, you must accept the consequences of your words. To preserve life, we have to speak with a soft voice. It gains respect and shows good value. Nakakakalma ng spirit pag ang kausap mo ay malumanay magsalita. You can destroy life naman kung ikaw ay laging galit, napupuna lahat, nag-uutos ng nakasigaw, as in lahat ng sabihin mo nakasigaw ka. Sasabihin pa nila, high pitch talaga ako, pero hindi ako galit. Oops! Careful! Because the tone of your voice really matters. At merong consequences pag lagi kang nakasigaw. Hindi ka nagugustuhin kausapin, tanungin, at kakwentuhan ng ibang tao. Aayawan ka nila. Iiwasan. It is hard to live according to His will, but by His grace, we are able to survive. So, if we are under pressure, let us take a deep breath or drink water. It is the best way to release the tension. Mga kapatid, hindi normal ang laging nakasigaw. Kung ganito ka everyday, check your heart and go back to the basic. You must read, and read your Bible.